Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to transfer a design from Figma over to Adobe XD, maybe for collaboration or to match your workflow, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of converting a Figma file into an Adobe XD file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make this handoff seamless without losing your hard work or design integrity. Alright, let's dive right in. So first things first, have your Figma design ready. I'm looking at a sample design here, but of course this could be any project you want to bring over to XD. Maybe it's a website mockup, a mobile app, or even just part of a user interface you want to further develop. The main thing is to make sure your file is organized. If you have lots of layers or assets, double-check that everything's properly named. This just helps avoid confusion later, especially if you're handing the file off to a teammate. Now let's move on to the Figma interface. Down at the bottom center of your Figma workspace, you'll see an option called Action. Go ahead and click there. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K, which brings up the quick action bar. Think of this as sort of a command center for plugins and shortcuts. It's an easy way to access tons of features without hunting through menus. Next, we'll need a special plugin that helps make the conversion possible. Type Convertify into the search bar. If you haven't installed this plugin yet, you'll see an option to install it, so just hit install and wait a moment. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds, especially if it's your first time setting this up. Plugins act sort of like apps inside Figma, giving you extra functionality for situations just like this one. Once Convertify is installed and ready to go, click it again from your plugins menu. This will launch its controls right inside your Figma window. Now, Convertify can do a few different things, but what we want here is simple. Look for the option labeled Export to Adobe XD. Click on that, and the plugin will start processing your design. Depending on how complex your file is, this step might take a minute or two. For really big projects, just be patient. This is where all the magic happens under the hood. Imagine the plugin translating every color, shape, and text style to make sure Adobe XD can recognize it. After it's finished, you'll get a prompt to download the XD file. Just hit Export, choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer, and you're done. You now have a fully converted Adobe XD version of your Figma design ready to open, edit, or share with your team. It's seriously that easy. Having this workflow in your toolkit saves tons of time, especially if you're working in a studio or collaborating across different platforms. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to convert a Figma file to Adobe XD using Convertify. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments if you hit any snags or if there's another design workflow you'd like to see next. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.